am Antonio Iñata, and the purpose of this blog is to share my insights about technology on alternative delivery system based on the topics on Unit 2, which is the introduction to web-based instruction, the internet and the World Wide Web, the practice of blended learning, teaching in an online learning environment, and lastly, instructional design in an online course development. The first lesson is all about introduction to web-based instruction. Web-based instructions refers to teaching and learning activities delivered through the internet. It uses websites, online platforms, multimedia resources, and interactive tools to present educational content. Learners can access lessons anytime and anywhere, making learning flexible and self-paced. The second topic is all about the internet and the World Wide Web. The internet is the global network of interconnectedness computers and devices connected via cables, satellites, and wireless signals. It's the physical infrastructure that allows data to be sent and received around the world. The World Wide Web is a service that runs on top of the internet. It's a system of interconnected documents, images, and other resources accessed through URLs and viewed with web browsers like Chrome and Safari. The third lesson is all about the practice of blended learning. Blended learning is an educational approach that combines in-person, face-to-face instruction and online learning. It's designed to leverage the best of both worlds, which is the personal interaction of in-person teaching and the flexibility, self-paced learning, and diverse content options of online education. The fourth topic is all about teaching in an online learning environment. Involves delivering instructions, supporting students, and facilitating learning entirely or primarily through digital tools and platforms like Learning Management System or LMS, video conferencing, or discussion boards. It requires adapting teaching methods to virtual spaces using interactive tools like quizzes, polls, breakout rooms, providing timely digital feedback, and fostering connection among students who may be learning remotely. Key skills include navigating technology, designing engaging online content, and addressing accessibility and equity to ensure all students can participate. Last topic is all about instructional design in an online course development. It's the systematic process of planning, creating, and organizing digital learning content to help students achieve specific learning goals. It involves defining clear objectives, structuring lessons logically, choosing appropriate online tools and activities like videos, quizzes, or discussions, ensuring content is accessible and engaging, and designing assessments to measure progress. The goal is to create a cohesive, effective learning experience that adapts to how students learn best in a virtual space. Alternative education system, which include homeschooling, charter schools, vocational programs, and community-based learning, prioritize flexibility and individualization in ways that traditional school often cannot. Unlike the one-size-fits-all model of mainstream education, alternative settings allow teachers to design curricular around students' unique interests, learning paces, and life circumstances. This shift from standardization to personalization creates a more engaging learning environment where students feel seen and valued, fostering greater motivation and participation.